I'm going to show you how to create and edit the menu in WordPress with no plugins and no code. Open your live site in a second browser tab before you change anything, because you want to compare the menu after each edit. Now in the WordPress dashboard, click Appearance in the left sidebar. If you see Editor under it, you're on a block theme. If you see Menus, you're on a classic theme. I'm seeing Editor here, so I'm clicking it now. The site editor loads, click Patterns on the left, then click Template Parts, open the header template part. Find the navigation block in the header. If your theme already has a menu, the existing items show right there. If there's no navigation block, click the plus icon in the header. Search Navigation, add the block. Now click directly on the navigation block so its toolbar and settings appear. Click the plus inside the navigation, search for the first page you want in the menu. I'm adding Home. Select it. The link appears inside the navigation. Click the plus again and add About. Do the same for Services, Blog, and Contact. Keep these labels short because visitors do not read long menu items. Click Save in the top right. Switch to your live site tab and refresh. The menu now shows those pages in the header. Back in the editor, I want a custom Get Started link at the end. Click the navigation block. Click the plus. Search Custom Link. Select it. Type the URL you want the link to point to, then type the display text. I'm using our contact page URL and the label Get Started. Press Enter to confirm. Click Save. Next, click the plus inside the navigation. Search Category. Select WordPress Tutorials if you already have that category. This item does not point to a page, it points to the category archive, so it automatically lists posts in that category. Click Save. Now click the Our Services item in the navigation. In the Settings panel, change the navigation label to Services. This changes the text visitors see in the menu, not the actual page. I always shorten this label because Our Services takes up too much space. Click Save. To rearrange items, click and drag a menu item in the navigation block. I'm moving Services before About because the most important link should sit near the front. So the order is Home, Services, About, Blog, and Contact. Click Save again. Now create a drop-down. Select Services in the menu. Open its options. Choose Create Submenu. Services becomes the parent item. Click the plus under it. Add Web Design. Add SEO. Add Consulting. You can drag existing items underneath it if they are already in the menu. I never go more than one level deep because a second drop-down level breaks on a phone screen. Click Save. Let's remove the blog item. Click Blog in the navigation, open its options. Choose Remove. That only removes it from navigation. The page still exists under Pages in the dashboard. Click Save. Then refresh the live site and hover over Services. The drop-down opens. Test each item once because one wrong URL in the menu sends visitors to a dead end. Back in the dashboard, if your appearance screen shows Menus instead of Editor, click Menus. If there is no menu yet, click Create a new menu. Name it Main Menu. Click Create Menu. The classic menu editor loads. Look for the Pages box on the left. Tick the pages you want, click Add to Menu. They appear in the menu structure. Drag them into the order you need. To edit a label in the classic screen, click the arrow on a menu item. Change navigation label from About Our Company to About. That is enough. Click Save Menu. For a drop-down in the classic menu, add the parent item first, then drag the child item slightly to the right underneath it. WordPress indents it, and that indent is what makes it a submenu. Put Web Design under Services that way. Click Save Menu. Now find Menu Settings or Display Location on the menu screen. Tick Primary Menu or Header Menu, whichever label your theme shows. Click Save Menu, then refresh the live site and hover over Services to confirm the drop-down appears. Back in the site editor, click the List View icon in the top toolbar. It shows every block as a flat list, and when a navigation block gets hard to select, dragging from that list is faster. Then open your browser's responsive view and test the menu on a phone, because a drop-down that works on desktop can still be hidden on mobile. If this got your menu working, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.